Impressive luxury supercars with high performance and speed with over 180 miles per hour with great power utilized as patrol cars for police departments around the world. These are the 10 most advanced police cars in the world. 10. Mercedes AMG Victoria. This is a cutting-edge patrol vehicle designed for highway operations, unveiled with great enthusiasm by the Australian police. This beast of a car packs a 3-liter engine that churns out a whopping 395 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque, giving it the power to dominate any road. Boasting a top speed of 155 miles per hour and the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a jaw-dropping 4.6 seconds. This vehicle is the epitome of speed and agility. What's more, its remarkable stability and traction, even in the slipperiest of conditions, make it perfect for handling quick response duties. 9. Chevrolet Camaro SS. Dubai's police department utilizes this high-performance patrol car, a Chevrolet Camaro, equipped with cutting-edge computer communication systems and police illumination. With a 6.2-liter engine, capable of generating 426 horsepower and 418 pounds of torque, this vehicle is a powerhouse on the road. It can reach top speeds of 155 miles per hour and achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds. The Dubai Police Department is committed to constantly enhancing its vehicles to meet the highest standards of safety and security. 8. Tesla Model S. Los Angeles Police Department launched the Tesla Model S patrol car in the Hollywood division. This electric vehicle features top-of-the-line equipment and has been customized for police use. With a top speed of 155 miles per hour and the ability to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, it's no wonder that more and more police departments are turning to Tesla vehicles for their patrol cars. Moreover, this Model S boasts a range of 370 miles, making it an ideal choice for patrolling longer distances. 7. BMW i8. This car has undergone considerable interior and exterior aesthetic and performance improvements. With a 1.5-liter engine that generates 231 horsepower and 236 foot-pounds of torque, it has an outstanding 4.4-second and 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time. The German police have used this vehicle in a number of activities to demonstrate the improvements brought about by the changes, including on the racetrack. 6. Nissan GTR. Prepare to have your mind completely blown. In 2018, the Japanese Takagi Prefecture Police Department showcased a magnificent Nissan GTR. With a 3.8-liter engine producing 570 horsepower and 466 foot-pounds of torque, this stunning car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astounding 3.5 seconds and reach top speeds of 195 miles per hour. This vehicle has been fitted with all the essential safety features, such as an emergency lighting system, sirens, and a loudspeaker, so it's not just about the power and speed. This patrol automobile is used by the Takagi Prefecture Police Department not only for routine duties, but also to promote traffic safety at various events. 5. Porsche Cayman GT4. The Norfolk County Police Force has been spotted cruising around in a sleek Porsche Cayman GT4 gifted to them by a youth development organization. With a 3.8-liter engine producing 385 horsepower and 310 foot-pounds of torque, this stylish car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 4.4 seconds, turning heads wherever it goes. But the real value of this stunning ride lies in the police department's efforts to engage with young people and promote road safety. Whether at educational centers or automotive events, the Porsche Cayman GT4 is raising awareness and making roads safer for all. 4. Dodge Challenger. The Dodge Challenger is a recently acquired patrol cruiser that has undergone changes, including the addition of programmable police lights, sirens, and a radio system, is now in the possession of the Marion County Sheriff's Department in Florida. 2 keys are included with this car, a red key that unlocks its maximum 707 horsepower and a black key that caps the engine at 500. This car doubles as a police vehicle and a department asset for public relations thanks to its top speed of 200 miles per hour and 0 to 60 mph acceleration time of just 3.4 seconds. 3. Lycan Hypersport. The Lycan Hypersport, which has been owned by the Abu Dhabi Police since 2015, is not your typical police car. With its elegant and sporty design and luxurious interior, the Lycan Hypersport is not only a masterpiece, but also a powerful tool for the police to maintain order on the bustling streets of Abu Dhabi. Imagine riding in this high-performance machine with its mighty 3.8-liter engine roaring below you, capable of a whopping 740 horsepower and 708 pounds-feet of torque. With a top speed of 245 miles per hour, this car is not for the faint of heart. And given that, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. It is understandable why the Abu Dhabi Police would want to add this beast to their remarkable collection of cars. 2. Lamborghini Huracan. The Italian National Police procured 2 Lamborghini Huracans, one assigned to Rome and the other to Bologna. Boasting an impressive top speed of 202 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 mph time of 3.2 seconds, these high-performance cars are ideal for motorway operations. But that's not all they are for. These Lamborghinis are also used for vital medical services such as the transport of organs. Equipped with specialized equipment like computers, cameras, and defibrillators, these vehicles are more than flashy toys for police forces. Whether speeding down the highway to chase a suspect or scurrying to deliver a life-saving organ to someone in need, these Lamborghinis play a vital role in Italian national police fleets. 1. Bugatti Veyron. The spectacular Bugatti Veyron, which holds the title for the fastest police car in the world, is among the impressive collection of high-end sports cars that the Dubai police force is outfitted with. Given that, it boasts a 1,000 horsepower engine and a top speed of about 250 miles per hour, this vehicle should not be taken lightly. In barely 2.5 seconds, the Bugatti Veyron broke previous records and is still a well-liked tourist attraction in Dubai. It makes it reasonable that the cops would use the vehicle to improve the city's reputation and draw visitors. But make no mistake, this car is more than just a pretty face. With its impressive speed and acceleration, it's a valuable tool for the police in their efforts to keep the city safe. Let me know in the comment section below what vehicle you love to see next. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and tell your friends about it so we can make more like it. Click the subscribe button to see more content like this, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Check out our other videos as well if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.